Hello friend, welcome to my channel Knowledge of IoTX. Today we will show you how to make a simple Facebook banner in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, you need to know what is the exact measurement of Facebook banner. Its width 851 pixels and the height 314 pixels. Essential files for creating today's design. Let's begin it. At first, create a new template for this design. Type here, Facebook banner width and height dimension. It must select pixel type. Resolution, 100 or 150 is the average for web image quality. After, if you want to use this template, then you can save it. Yes, at first we insert background image into our created file. Dragging the image and drop on the new file. Press enter. Also, you can insert any file using Open Action activity. The background layer is locked. Double-click on the selection background layer. For unlock the background layer, check it. The background lock icon is now disabled. Ctrl+T for select the layer. Drag and set into the full white screen. Together press the Alt and Shift button and drag image. Otherwise, you can drag manually. Press enter. Now, right-click on the image layer, and then click to rasterize layer. Rasterization is the task of taking an image described in a vector graphics format and converting it into a raster image. Select the Type tool and click on the image body. Ctrl+T for select the layer. Now, Alt+Shift button and drag the element for increasing or decreasing the size. Insert a border line in Vector tool. You can also customize the gradient color. Now, we will export of this file to PNG format. Banner design is completed. Now we create a file for profile image. For profile image, height and width will be same. For image transfer, from one tab to another tab, click to image and drag into the destination tab, but layer must unlock. Now, Ctrl+T, and drag the image. paint background color, must select the background layer. Ctrl+Shift+I. For outside selection of the Mark tool. After that, click to the Delete button. Now, save the file, and export to PNG format. Our design activity is completed. Now we upload of this file into the Facebook. Yes, the size was perfect. Goodbye. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then kindly subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for getting more update. Thank you, have a nice day.